In the previous videos, we looked at rotation, linear, and angular speeds. Now we will take a look at the rotational power. Rotational power, or horsepower, is equal to the angular speed in revolutions per minute multiplied by the torque divided by 5,252. Note that the torque must be in foot-pounds. We will only be looking at rotational power in the English system, which is why our equation says horsepower. 5,252 is a constant that we have to divide by in order for our units to work out. Let's take a look at an example of rotational power. What horsepower is developed by a racing engine with 545 foot-pounds of torque at 6,500 RPM? Our equation for power is angular speed in RPM multiplied by torque divided by 5,252. Substituting, we have 6,500 RPM multiplied by 545 foot-pounds divided by 5,252, which equals 675 horsepower. This concludes our discussion of rotational power. In the next video, we will look at an example incorporating everything we have discussed so far in Chapter 4.